Is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro still coming out this month? Well, it's been a quiet few weeks on the Mavic 4 Pro leak story, aside from a few grainy videos of the drone spotted out in the wild. But let's be real, those are old news at this point, and the previously rumored release window should be near, right? I mean, we've only been waiting for this highly anticipated flagship drone to hit store shelves for what feels like forever. But I hate to break it to you, it looks like that wait isn't quite over yet, as DJI appears to be pushing back the official launch a little further. According to reliable leaker Hakasushi on X, the Mavic 4 Pro's release has been postponed to May 13th, marking a delay of around 2 to 3 weeks from the previously rumored dates, and if that wasn't enough, well known. Insider Jasper Ellens chimed in with confirmation based on a leaked email between DJI and an early tester involved in something called the Early Product Experience Program. Now here's the funny part. We usually don't get to see these kind of internal emails because they violate the tester's NDA, but somehow this one made its way online, and it mostly reiterates what you'd expect, that the product being tested isn't public and details shouldn't be shared, which, let's be honest, makes the fact that it was leaked even more hilarious. Now, this early product experience program isn't something DJI has ever officially talked about before, but based on this leak, it seems to be how many of these early hands-on reviews and sneak peeks happen. A select group of testers, likely not employed by DJI directly, get early access to try out new gear ahead of launch. And in this case, the tester appears to be based in China because they mentioned the Mavic 4 Pro's price in Chinese yuan. 13,500 renminbi to be exact, which converts to around 1,849 US dollars. And while that's not necessarily going to be the global price, it's a solid estimate for what we might expect, especially considering the level of tech and performance the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to bring to the table. The email also mentions that the tester can purchase the Mavic 4 Pro for just 7,600 renminbi, which is roughly 1,041 US dollars. And let's be real, that's a total steal for a drone expected to deliver elite-level capabilities. The most important part of the email, though, is that the testing period ends on May 11th, which just so happens to be a Sunday here in the US and falls perfectly in line with the newly rumored May 13th release date. And if you followed DJI for a while, you'll know that Tuesday is their go-to-launch day for new products, so all signs point to May 13th being the big day. But here's the twist. There's still no official reason given for the delay. Not in the email, and not from any of the leakers. But speculation is growing that it could be tied to the ongoing trade war tensions between the U.S. and China, with tariffs peaking at 125% under the Trump administration. It's caused a lot of uncertainty around production and global logistics. So it wouldn't be surprising if DJI is playing it safe and hoping a slight delay could allow things to cool down or stabilize. While we wait, what we're still missing are the specs. We've seen the drone in flight, a few photos on test benches, and some vague hands-on clips. But nothing has surfaced yet that gives us a full breakdown of features, performance, or hardware upgrades. And that's what makes this wait feel even longer, because we know DJI's last-gen Mavic 3 Pro set a high bar, and expectations for Mavic 4 Pro are sky-high, especially in areas like camera resolution, obstacle avoidance, flight time, and new AI tracking capabilities. So until more concrete leaks hit from retailers or additional testers, we're left to keep refreshing the news feeds and counting down the days to May 13th. Still, if you've been following the Mavic 4 Pro closely, this is probably just another bump in the road. And honestly, if DJI is taking a few extra weeks to fine-tune the experience, we'd rather have that than a rush launch. So buckle up and stay tuned, because things are heating up again. And when the Mavic 4 Pro finally hits the shelves, it's going to make waves in the drone world. And of course, you'll get the latest updates, leaks, reviews, and real talk right here on TechVerse.